Well, first of all, internships are definitely to be valued. A great way to get into the industry and get yourself some experience, exposure, decide, hey, is this something I really want to do? Because most companies do understand that the interns coming out of Cal Poly are ready to work, they're ready to learn.
We look at our internships as a stepping stone. Actually, we look at it as like a 12-week interview for a regular full-time position with Cupertino Electric. So we're not just hiring interns to do busy work during the summer. We're hiring them to give them a sampling of what it would be like to work at Cupertino Electric. So they can see what it's like working for an electrical contractor, but then we can also see their work ethic, their interest in electrical contracting, and if we think they'd be a fit for the company as a postgraduate hire.
The most important thing from my perspective for the internship is to give them a broad spectrum of exposure. I mean, you don't want to have them just do grunt work. That's not going to help him or help the job site as much. So you try to give a broad spectrum where he's involved in the request for information and submittals and doing some scheduling and lots of site walks and lots of subcontractor interaction, so he gets a better picture of the overall industry.
We probably have 40 or 50 Cal Poly graduates working for DPR right now. And that it used to be that we would you interview people in their senior year, and if you like them, you hire them. Well, now the trend more is that we're starting interns at the end of their sophomore year or at the end of their junior year, and we'll get an intern for 3 months for 2 summers in a row, and it's like a 6-month interview. And then they start. So we get a lot more of our employees we're getting as interns that we hire as opposed to those that we just interview once and hire.
I learned so much on my internships that carried over. I really hit the ground running when I came on full time. It's your foot in the door with that specific company that you decide to work for. You can definitely tell that someone interned once they come on full time because they kind of got a swing of things. So it's almost a must.